सो हेलो एवरीवन, ये होने वाला है पार्ट 3 ऑफ डी फार्मेसी एग्जिट एग्जाम एंड आरआरबी फार्मासिस्ट के फार्माकोलॉजी सब्जेक्ट के एमसीक्यूज का। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। बायोट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ मेडिसिनल सब्सटेंसेस रिजल्ट इन ए फास्टर यूरिनरी एक्सक्रीशन, बी स्लोअर यूरिनरी एक्सक्रीशन, सी इजियर डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेशन इन ऑर्गेनिज्म, डी हायर बाइंडिंग टू मेम्ब्रेन्स। Correct answer is option A, faster urinary excretion. Conjugation is A, process of drug reduction by special enzymes, B, process of drug oxidation by special oxidase, C, coupling of drug with an endogenous substrate, D, solubilization in lipids. Correct answer is option C, coupling of drug with an endogenous substrate. Which of the following processes proceed in the second phase of biotransformation? A, acetylation, B, reduction, C, oxidation, D, hydrolysis. Correct answer is option A, acetylation. Conjugation of a drug includes the following except A, glucoordination, B, sulfate formation, C, hydrolysis, D, methylation. Correct answer is option C, hydrolysis. General contraindication for anti-cancer drug are A, depression of bone marrow, B, acute infection, C, severe hepatic or renal insufficiency, D, all of the above. Correct answer is option C, severe hepatic or renal insufficiency. In case of liver disorders accompanied by a decline in microsomal enzyme activity, the duration of the action of some drug is A, decreased, B, enlarged, C, remain unchanged, D, changed insignificantly. Correct answer is option B, enlarged. The half-life T1/2 is the time required to A, change the amount of drug in plasma by half during eliminations, B, metabolize a half of an introduced drug into the active metabolite, C, absorb a half of an introduced drug, D, bind a half of an introduced drug to plasma proteins. Correct answer is option A, change the amount of drug in plasma by half during elimination. Half-life T1/2 doesn't depend on A, biotransformation, B, time of drug absorption, C, concentration of a drug in plasma, D, rate of drug elimination. Correct answer is option B, time of drug absorption. Elimination is expressed as follows: A, rate of renal tubular reabsorption, B, clearance speed of some volume of blood from substances, C, time required to decrease the amount of drug in plasma by 1/2, D, clearance of organism from a xenobiotic. Correct answer is option D, clearance of organism from xenobiotic. Elimination rate constant is defined by following parameter: A, rate of absorption, B, maximal concentration of a substance in plasma, C, highest single dose, D, half-life T1/2. Correct answer is option D, half-life. Iodosyncratic reaction of a drug is a type of hypersensitivity reaction, B, a type of drug antagonism, C, unpredictable, inherent, qualitative, abnormal reaction to the drug, D, qualitatively exaggerated response. Correct answer is option C, unpredictable, inherent, qualitative, abnormal reaction to the drug. Systemic clearance is related with A, only concentration of substance in plasma, B, only elimination rate constant, C, volume of distribution, half-life and elimination rate constant, D, bioavailability of the half-life. Correct answer is option C, volume of distribution, half-life and elimination rate constant. Therapeutic index TI is a ratio used to evaluate the safety and usefulness of a drug for indications, B, a ratio used to evaluate the effectiveness of a drug, C, a ratio used to evaluate the bioavailability of a drug, D, a ratio used to evaluate the elimination of a drug. Correct answer is option A, ratio used to evaluate the safety and usefulness of a drug for indication. Correct statement concerning bupivacaine include all of the following except A, it has low cardiotoxicity, B, it has amide linkage, C, it is a long-acting drug, D, an intravenous injection can lead seizures. Correct answer is option A, it has low cardiotoxicity. Tetragyne has all of the following properties except A, slow onset, B, low potency, C, long duration, D, high toxicity. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, लो पोटेंसी। सो आज का वीडियो यहीं पर खत्म होता है और बाकी सब्जेक्ट्स के एमसीक्यूज आप चैनल की प्लेलिस्ट में चेकआउट कर सकते हो। वीडियो पसंद हो तो लाइक कर देना, चैनल बने हो तो डू सब्सक्राइब। तब तक के लिए पीस आउट।